Hello, YouTube. It's me again. I just want to do a little shout out video. I'm going to pop it up this week. I noticed my viewership went up by 4 people in one day. And so I was mulling around. I haven't been on my computer about 2 days. Been doing work and stuff. And I noticed hand tool restoration. You gave me a shout out, and thank you so much. If any of you on YouTube doesn't know about hand tool restoration, I'm going to do a shout out back to him. Awesome channel. He's all reviewing tools, and I can say I much appreciate the shout out to from hand tool restoration to my channel, because I'm just a little channel doing stuff and I'm having fun. And it's always nice to see people who like my channel. And I keep reading in these YouTube groups like, why would bigger channels help little channels? And you know what? Even if I had 1 million viewers, I would still give shout outs to smaller channels. Because you know what? Helping people is what people should be doing. And it's not like I'm stealing viewers from you or you're stealing. Because I mean, if you like my channel, you watch my channel. If I like that, you can subscribe to them all. It's not like you're stealing a product. We're on here, and if you want to watch us, you can watch us. If you don't want to, you don't want to. But I find it's nice when, like, Arco, what do you call it? And what's the other guy? There's a guy on Instagram who, there's one, Outlaw Edge, who is always pimping other people, small, cool channels. The hand tool restoration is an awesome example. You gave a shout out for a bunch of channels. And I'm not a big channel. I have 239. Woo! I never thought I'd get past like 50. But I got 239 subscribers. Thank you. It's awesome. And probably by the time I pop this up on Friday, sorry, I just got a burp in the video. By the time I pop this up on Friday, I hope I'll have some more, but it's fun. But even if I got 10,000 subscribers, hey, if you have a cool channel and you just started yesterday, you have a cool channel. Whether you got 2 cool videos or 100 videos. It's just like people are like, oh yeah, I don't give shout outs to like smaller channels because, my 10 million viewers might go to yours. Like, what's going to happen if you got 10 million viewers and got 200 subscribers and not monetized? I'm not taking any money fucking away from you because, it's just stupid. So yeah, thanks a lot, everybody. Go check out, what is it? Hand tool restoration. I'll try to leave a link on the bottom. Go check out some of the other links I have listed on the bottom. And whoever just subscribed to my channel, I hope you like it. I got tons of videos, and I got a lot more coming. And just keep, I don't know, tell all your friends, tell your buddies, and keep subscribing, and I'll just keep popping out videos. I got random stuff. Anyway, I'll shut the hell up now. Yes, and also I will be using tools once in a while. So no matter what Danny says, you will see lots of ice scripts. Because Arco is going to comment on there. You'll see vice grips. And you'll see my best, buddy in here once in a while. My garage buddies show up. And thanks for watching.
Where's a broken down shack by the railroad track?